Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is consumer protection. Consumer protections refer to the step taken to protect the consumer against the unfair practice of the producer and the seller. To protect the consumer against unfair practice, the consumer is the king of the market. He is the centrist of the all marketing activities. It is the constant of endeavor of the producer that the productions of the product must be conformed to need of the consumer. In addition to certified satisfaction of the consumer, it is also endeavor of the producer that their sale should be maximum. Therefore, they try to increase the sale by the possible means. Some of means adopted to increase sale are such as to serve the interest of both the producer and the consumer. They adopt improvement in the quality of product, reduction in price, clean and decent advertising, after sale service, etc. On the other hand, some of the method adopted to increase the sale of such as subserve in the interest of the producer, but the same as against the interest of all the consumer. That is, consumer are exploited by adulterators of the consumer goods, poor quality of goods and services, misleading advertisement, short measures and underweight goods, creations of artificial scarcity of holding goods. So there are some means of increasing sale by which the producer enhance their sales and multiply their profit, but these measures cannot be resort to on the permanent basis, as they were very nature happen to be anti-consumer. These measures result in the exploitations of the consumer. They have to protect against the sex exploitation to quench the unfair practice of the producer who are propelled by their lust of the money. The remedy lies in the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Some of the examples of consumer exploitation in India: that manufacturer of sunflower oil claimed in advertisement published in the national newspaper that his oil is rich in vitamin, minerals and protein. On testing, all claims were found false. Second, many cloth manufacturers mark their product are polycotton. Here, poly means polyester and not polyester. The former material is very cheap and compared to the latter, and the consumer is not aware of it. Next, instead of noodle can only be sold at the packaging of 100 grams, but in the case of some manufacturer, they just 80 grams noodles in the packet. A woman got admitted in civil hospital for operation, but the doctor treated as a negligence and removed her gallbladder instead of appendix. As the result, of woman's died. So, legal protections to the consumer. The idea of consumer protection is not a new. Government had made many efforts in this direction time to time. Many steps have been taken to provide legal protection by making some legal provisions in the relevant law. The first, Consumer Protection Act 1986. The Consumer Act 1986 had been forced since 1986 Consumer and Prosperity. This law offers protection against the defective goods, deficient service, unfair trade practice and consumer exploitation. Court have been established under this law to provide the benefit to the consumer by protecting their rights. These courts are known as three-tier machinery. District forum work at the district level, state commission operate at the state level, and while national commission take care of consumer interests at the national level. Provision has also made for establish consumer protection concept for educating the consumer and increasing consumer causes. Next, Contract Act 1982. This act laid down the responsibility of the contracting parties. This act also explained the condition under which the aggrieved party can move against the default parties. Next, Sales of Goods Act 1930. This act provides protection to buyer in case of goods purchased not according to the condition of the sale. Next, the Initial Commodity Act 1955. Following are the some cheap aim to this act: control over the production, supply, distributions of initial commodities, cover control over tendency to increase the price, control over unsocial activities like profiteering, hoarding, and black marketing. Next, Agriculture Producers Act 1937. Under this act, there is separate category provision to check the quality of agriculture producer are placed in separate category according to the standards. So the producer are marked according to the standard that make easy to recognize them.